We here at Matrix Technologies have a proven 40-year track record of helping our partners find effective solutions to fully realize their production objectives. Matrix Technologies is a leading expert in multidiscipline engineering, industrial automation, and control system integration, as well as a project and construction management professional firm with vast experience in a wide range of industries, including refining and petrochemical, mining and metals, water and wastewater applications, specialty chemical, grain and food processing, automotive, and many, many more. Hello, Jon Lockie here. I'm a manager in our facilities engineering department, where we specialize in projects involving civil and structural engineering, architectural design, as well as HVAC and plumbing design. If 2020 has taught us anything, it's that things can change in the blink of an eye. Being able to quickly adapt and keep projects moving forward efficiently and cost effectively has become more important than ever. Therefore, today I'm going to give you a brief overview of some of the ways that we here utilize cutting-edge 3D modeling technologies to produce efficient and accurate designs in order to keep up with the ever-changing project lifecycle and be able to adjust on the fly to meet the demands of our clients. Additionally, I'll showcase a few of the unique softwares that can be available to you for future project needs, as well as overall tracking and maintenance improvements. A few of the cutting-edge technologies we employ within the facilities department include Autodesk Revit, BIM 360, Navisworks, RISA connections, and field services such as 3D scanning and ground penetrating radar. I'll dive into each one just a bit to showcase some of our capabilities and outline the benefits to you and your projects. One of the best items in our toolbox is 3D laser scanning. We utilize it in most of our designs, as it is not only a safe and efficient way to gather accurate field dimensions, but it also allows us to easily create a three-dimensional model of real-time conditions, which is necessary for design and space planning, specifically in congested retrofit areas. We have several other videos and articles outlining this service in more detail. Look for those on Matrix's YouTube channel, as well as on our Matrix on Manufacturing page on our website at www.matrixti.com. Matrix also utilizes specialized software that can automatically create a 3D model from components of the scanned data. This can be beneficial to create an as-record model that can easily be accessed by anyone without needing special software or supercomputers to handle large scan point cloud files. These models can even be kicked out to a Navisworks viewer, which comes as a free download and provided to you and your team to use. Another essential technology that we have at our disposal is Autodesk Revit. Revit is a building information modeling software, or BIM for short, that allows us to quickly model projects such as buildings and structures and maintain live relationships between model components and the engineering drawings, including annotation, dimensions, as well as the overall views. This allows for ease of modification throughout the design process and helps to keep project schedules intact when changes or requests come late in the project lifecycle. Additionally, as Revit has capabilities for electrical and mechanical components, as well as for facilities, it ensures project collaboration and cohesive engineering deliverables that allow for a smoother installation. Rather than just being a pretty picture, the 3D design models become smart. They can be built to include any necessary critical information that the end user may desire. For example, specific piping and equipment can be identified in the model and tracked for make, model, installation date, preventative maintenance plan, etc. This information is very helpful when items arise in the field and quick action must be taken to maintain production. Since Revit allows for 3D models to be created so quickly, it is a great tool for preliminary engineering and feasibility feed studies. Space planning options can be reviewed during the conceptual layout phase. Engineering plans and material takeoffs are kept attached to the living model and can easily be exported to aid in coordination with contractors to gain accurate construction cost estimates necessary for project funding. Matrix also employs BIM 360, which is a cloud-based document sharing tool that supports real-time coordination of models from various engineering disciplines, firms, and even equipment vendors. By keeping working design models in the cloud, every team member is able to immediately understand their impact to the overall project. Gone are the days of exporting snapshot data and models and waiting sometimes days to hear if there are any issues or clashes with the design. This ultimately means that the engineering projects become more flexible and able to account for the changing needs of your stakeholders while cutting down on issues in the field during construction. Not only are we able to experience efficiencies in 3D modeling using Revit, we are also able to easily export that information to our structural analysis model through the use of Reset. This seamless flow of information allows us to efficiently size structural members and connections and even produce fabrication shop drawings and piece details, which helps streamline project schedules. I realize this was just a brief overview of how Matrix utilizes some of our revolutionary technology to create efficient designs and meet your project needs. But we have several other software and workflows at our disposal that ensure we consistently output quality designs and engineering deliverables. Should you have any questions about our capabilities or how Matrix can assist you with any upcoming design or construction needs, please visit our website and feel free to reach out to me personally to discuss. I look forward to hearing from you and working together with you and your team to harness these design efficiencies on your next project.